Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. And in this week's episode, I'm going to walk you guys through what it's like to be an Airbnb host. Now, if you haven't done so already, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can be brought up to speed on all the cool things that we are doing in the short-term rental space. Okay, so it is now the middle of December here in Canada. It's cold, but there's no snow. And we are actually doing really, really well. So I'm at Sunflower right now. All right, so here is Sunflower. No snow, as you can see. And we are at 91% occupancy for the month of December already. It's actually December the 11th. And we are pretty much booked up for the rest of the month here at Vanilla. So I'm going to do a breakdown of the occupancy rates and our different listings and try to figure out with you guys why some of our listings are doing really good and why some of our listings are not doing good at all. Well, I shouldn't say at all. But before I do that, I actually had to run over to Sunflower today because I have a guest checking in at 3 p.m. And my cleaner was here yesterday and she was like, Ryan, it smells like BO. Okay, so I'm going into Vanilla Trail right now. I'm going to smell this place out and hopefully it's going to smell better. I was here a little bit earlier and I sprayed some of this stuff. Let's go, Febreze. All right. And I opened up the doors and the windows and I'm just hoping that this place is going to smell better. Okay, so just walked inside. It smells way better yesterday. I know it was not smelling good. I actually had to come pick up Jeanette yesterday. I was like, I can just smell a little something. It smells pretty good on the main floor. By the way, just look how sweet this place looks. You can't really see it too well because the lighting's not great right now, but just look how awesome it is. I love this room. Okay, so I came upstairs and I just did the whiff test the whole time. And it's pretty good. There's probably like a little hint. Man, it's the only thing sometimes is if you have people that don't have great hygiene for whatever reason, you gotta kind of put a little extra work into it. It doesn't happen often for us. In fact, this is probably the first time it has happened. But yeah, you gotta make sure that every guest stay is an amazing stay. So it's so important to have cleaners that communicate with you. Because if there are any issues, especially like this, like smell, like that's a big thing. I don't know about you, but for me, when I go away somewhere and I stay at an Airbnb or a hotel and like it smells like smoke or the smell is off, that's going to set me off. And so I don't want that for my guests. And so I will take the extra mile to make sure that they have a good stay. Okay, I'm off to pick up my cleaner, drive her home, and then I'm going to go home and I'm going to shoot a video for you guys on the occupancy rates of our listings right now and why some are performing and try to analyze why some are not. All right, so I don't know what it is about this time of year. I think maybe because the rates are cheaper, but I just went to pick up my cleaner over at Concord and it smells like marijuana in here. It smells like cigarette smoke in here. They made a mess of the duvet covers. And so I'm over here right now helping her, trying to get this place ready for 3 p.m. And guess what? It's 2:58. Quick update. We got Concord ready. We were ready by about 3:15. The guest wasn't checking in until a little bit later, so it worked out. And then on top of that, we had our guest check in at Vanilla Trail, and guess what? They didn't smell anything. Okay, as promised, guys, I'm going to give you a breakdown of my listings, the occupancy rates, and how they're performing so far. I'm actually going to start from the bottom and go and make my way up. And we'll discuss each one very quickly. But Vanilla Trail, okay, the one with the arcade, the 4-bedroom house, the one I put up at the beginning of October, is our best performing property at 90% occupancy. Now, keep in mind, we are in the off season. Yes, this is December. December, January, and February are our slowest months. And right now, Vanilla is at 90%. That's incredible. In fact, I ran the numbers, and we are somewhere around $3,000 profit this month on this property. Incredible. Off season. Okay. Then we have Brighton, which is at 84%. We launched this one. Sorry, we launched this guy in September, launched this one in October. And so, again, I'm very happy with the occupancy rate here. I don't think there's too many days left, to be honest with you, for me to get this up to 90%. So a couple orphan days. That's about it. And then we have Concord. All right, we've had this property going since May. It's at 77%. Again, I'm pretty happy with that. I like to get it up into the 80s, but I am happy. These three are all profitable. Blackberry. Okay, now one thing you need to know is that these three properties are about a 3-minute drive to Niagara Falls and 10-minute drive, 15-minute drive to the downtown area of Niagara Falls, depending on traffic. Okay, these two are about 10 minutes to the city of Niagara Falls and about 25 minutes to downtown Niagara Falls, depending on traffic. All right. And so Blackberry, which we have had running since last October, is at 55%. Okay. So I've been trying everything I can to get this one up, and I do believe that location is a part of it. But I'm going to do another breakdown of these properties, an in-depth one that you guys can watch. But I just wanted to give you guys an update in this video on how my properties are performing. And then Sunflower, which is our newest property. So far, we launched it December 1st, is at 26%. And that's okay. I wish it was higher, but we don't have the reviews yet. And there's a couple things that I have to tweak at this property that I think is going to help boost the bookings. All right. And so to some degree, I'm happy with it. It is going to break even this month, which I'm happy about that. But ultimately, I want to see this number. I mean, we want to see it like these numbers. And so I'm going to do that for you guys. I'm going to go through my listings and I'm going to break them down, and I'm going to talk about what's working and what's not working. So I'll shoot a video for you guys on that. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and comment below. If you have any questions or anything like that, I want to hear them because I want to help as many people as I can get started in the STR business. Okay, we'll see you in the next one.